Alright, guys, today we're playing Animal Hospital. I will never post Dandy's World. Okay, I know I hear my sister, but she's doing a video. Oh no! Can I please join? I'm just joining because never played Animal Hospital. I will never post Dandy again. I will post Animal Hospital. Okay. Okay. Now let's. Okay. Cam's offline. We got the eyes. The eyes. Hello. I'm Jane. Hello, Treasure. I'm here for my appointment. Stamp forms. Take photo. Okay. Now register. Print badge. Now take the badge. Talk. Okay, this is how I learn. This is me when I drink too many lemonade. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, what do you need, Mr. Bank? Okay. Let's see the tea. Oh my god! Okay, bro, that was a jump scare. 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 Wait, there's someone here. Wait, there's someone. Wait, there's someone. There's someone. Oh my god. I see someone. They look scary. They might be sus. Hello. What happens if I just... Oh my god. Ha ha ha. This will be annoying. Oh my god. Oh. When are you coming? Sir? Do you want to get coffee? Or do you want to get soda? Well, we don't have soda in this hospital. We only have coffee with anything you like. Please don't bang on our window. We only have coffee. No service. But we don't like anomalies, so better be a human or else. Oh my god, coffee, no! I want coffee. I want the coffee. Slurp, 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 slurp. Okay, I just got 83. Oh my god, if things get strange, just keep working. Okay. I'll fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Ooh, yay, the shutter. Now let's get a customer. What? No, best make job. Excellent. I got E plus. More like excellent. Oh my god. Hello, Gami. Oh my god. Hello, Gami. pepperoni, cheese, mac. Oh my god. What? What? No service? Oh my god. He's staring at my soul. What do we do? I drank the coffee. Oh my god, he's staring. My name's Ron from accounting. You ever wonder if they keep hiring new people? Or do they do dots? Now let's take a photo and register. Take the photo, take the selfie, take the report card, take the talk, take the pink. I'm moonwalking. Aw, man. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, here, Mr. Burger King. Oh. Hello, McDonald's. What would you like to eat? Ouch. Maybe they don't like needles because they have a phobia of needles. Ouch. Do not say ouch. Just say I'm strong. Okay, let's. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I think we got the wrong one. I think we got the wrong one. Hello, Cactus Man. What would you like to eat from McDonald's? We only have coffee, things like that. Okay, no burgers. Okay, get some burgers. 5 Nights at Pizzas. Wait, why is he staring at... Why is he... Yeah, I feel... Why is he still here? Can I give you some coffee? No. Oh, don't be real.